And then he was like, my design is not good enough for you.
So what designer was this? Hey everyone, and welcome back to That's So Mudita, the official podcast channel of Warehouse by Mudita, where we bring you conversations between fashion, lifestyle, luxury, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. I'm your host Charuvi, and today's episode is really special because we're diving deep into the world of Warehouse with our amazing team members. We have Krati, our social media manager, Shrishti, our customer relationship manager, Shomi, our e-commerce merchandiser, and Pankhuri, our communications and PR specialist. How are you feeling, guys?
Very well. Much excited.
Let's see what waits.
Nervous? Nervous? All right. No worries. So let's start with the fun question. What's the most dramatic or funniest thing that has happened with you at Warehouse?
Oh, I remember this Warehouse Delhi exhibition. So there was this one Bombay-based designer who just figured out that I was covering the event at that point, and I literally had to hide away from him because he just wanted me to cover his lehengas. And then he was like, my design is not good enough for you.
So what designer was this? Can you drop the
Keep
name?
on guessing. I'm not going to tell the name.
It's controversial. We can't reveal names yet.
We have an individual designer sales. So there was one of the customer who has like a 10 to 12 outfits in her hand, and she wasn't getting the place for the changing the clothes. From the front of the everyone, she's starting trying her clothes.
Oh God.
What?
Started taking off her clothes and trying it on to see which fits her.
My
That was
God.
really funny. Anything you want to say?
I think I have so many influencer stories. So one of them I remember was from a shoot. So this influencer, she was so keen on wearing that specific Ate designer, and that specific piece that she wanted was given to some other influencer. So she came to the shoot, then she had her food. She took 1 hour to have that plate of pasta. She took 4 hours to do her makeup.
Oh.
And when all of it was done, she said, where was that piece again? We didn't have that piece, and now we are just done. All the wrap up is done. Everything's finished. She had her pasta, she had her makeup done, but we didn't do the shoot because she just wanted that one piece.
Okay. So tell me, what do you guys love the most about your job here?
I go to the office, I go to the pantry, and I do
Coffee person. Yeah, I think it's writing communications for offline, online, all at the same time. It's
Oh, come on. That's a very scripted answer. Tell us something that you actually love about your job, not your
It
job
is-
role.
Actually, I love going to the events specifically. I love networking. It's the best part, I feel. Are you guys jealous?
Whatever. For me, the best part is when the sale is going live and we all are together, the team, and our heads are off and we don't know what is happening, but it's still fun.
Handling the customers.
Why do you say that with a frown?
Let's don't go there.
It's the classic Shrishti every time.
Yeah. So now let's talk about the uniqueness of working with a brand with so many verticals, online, offline. We have our events, we have our solo shows. How do you manage it all as a team?
We have to. Because there's so much always going on. We have to manage it.
Yeah.
I think online needs more traction and more promotion so that we can perform
So
better.
Krati, as a social media manager, how do you, manage the stiff between the online and the offline
You
vertical?
already have one page which is dedicated to your online sales. Promote it there.
I mean,
Promote all
on that note, guys,
there.
please go and follow Warehouse by Mudita online, where we post about our website.
Yes,
Moving on.
Yes, please.
How do you manage your CRM between offline vertical and the online vertical?
I guess. I don't know.
Customer keeps on coming and disturbing her and she keeps on answering.
What about you, Shomi?
Managing, I only manage online and I'm happy with it.
The next one is a rapid fire round. The rules are simple. Quick questions, even quicker answers.
Okay,
Are you all ready?
Yeah.
If you could dress as any character, who would it be?
Emily.
Geet.
Rachel Green, but not here.
One fashion trend you cannot just stand.
Neons.
Balloon pants.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Leather pants.
I
love
leather
leather
pants.
pants.
I love leather pants.
With
Skinny fit jeans.
Yes, I think that's a universal hate.
We agree.
Okay, your go-to outfit for your office.
Denim and crop top.
Ooh, yeah.
I like to come in pajamas.
Flats.
Mood.
Flats.
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 Correct.
Okay. So, the most unexpected skill that you've learned in office.
Creating trendy campaigns on a budget.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Handling more than 10 of the customer at a time. And
I
Shami?
think coordinating with everyone and working as a team is something that I enjoy here. And
That's great. Okay. So, since you all work with the founder, Miss Mudita Jaipuria, very closely, if she was a movie, what genre would that be?
surprise.
Thriller. Yeah. No, I think rom-com.
Oh, yeah. No comments. No comments. Okay. Last question. One word to describe working at warehouse.
Gossips.
Dramatic. Oh.
We have 2 drama, 1 gossip.
Thrilling, because every day is like a new day.
Yeah, true.
And we take things one day at a time.
Yeah, I think that's
Yeah.
something we all should be proud about. Thank you all for sharing your insights. It's been a fascinating and really fun conversation.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the episode of That's So Mudita. Join us next time. We'll bring you more stories, more laughter, and more behind the scenes magic. Until then, stay fabulous. Bye.